This is a 32-pack variety of fruit and vegetable seeds, and you get 15,000 non-GMO heirloom organic seeds for planting your fruits and vegetables by Open Seed Vault. This is 100% USA, heirloom, open pollinated, non-hybrid, raw, organic, chemically untreated garden seeds. These survival seeds would make a great gift for any gardener or to purchase for yourself. It comes with a 14-page instruction manual on how and when to plant all your seeds. And it also teaches you how to save the seeds as well. After we harvest our crop, my husband and we usually like to save the seeds and use it time and time again. Your one-time purchase may last for many years to come. These seeds are stored in an airtight, moisture-resistant, resealable bag for long-term safe food storage. These are high-quality food seeds with a 99% purity, 100% organic, and a high germination rate as well. I was sent these seeds from Open Seed Vault for evaluation purposes and to give my opinion, and I'm super excited to try them out. Let me show you approximately how many seeds you're going to get. You're going to receive 180 tomato beef steak seeds, 80 eggplant black beauties, 20 green bean tender greens, 25 zucchini black beauties, 2,280 lettuce butter crunch butter heads, 2,280 lettuce of ruby leaf, 2,280 black seeded Simpson lettuce, 230 Long Island Brussels sprouts, 40 California Wonder bell peppers, 180 cherry bell radishes, 50 Clemenson spineless okras, 180 Detroit dark red beets, 200 evergreen bunching onions, 280 golden acre cabbage, 45 golden bantam corn, 20 Hale's Best jumbo cantaloupe, 30 sugar baby watermelon, 280 Vates blue scotch kale, 15 Henderson lima beans, 90 giant Fort Hood Swiss chard, 40 Market More cucumbers, 130 Bloomsdale spinach, 1,750 Scarlet Nantes carrots, 430 Shogun turnips, 15 sugar pie pumpkins, 280 snowball cauliflower, 25 sugar daddy peas, 330 Waltham broccolis, 25 Waltham butternut winter squash, 20 Mammoth sunflower seeds, 250 All-American parsnips, and 3,000 tall Utah Improved celery seeds. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful and happy planting.